One ninja, but many performances. Check these out.
This is the commission of the bad man. I'm not telling you the superintendent that he's a dead man. Because the journal front he goes, he done dog. Adam, listen, hey, boy, Adam the big give me back me gun. Cause I'm fucking with this me and the man I done. Adam the big give me back me gun. You know? Yeah, hear me? You know, listen to the DJ. Never. Listen, I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause some fussy with this me and the war not done. I don't have to give me back me gun. Him charge me innocent murder, me not touching on. I don't have to give me back me. Top of the night. You know what I'm finishing? Finishing? When me see how the country set, me get another nine, me new brand tech. Just because me no want increase debt. Me do badness like cigarette. I mean this thing like him go take. So boy this me them not dead yet, him a murderer. So why me a go check? I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause I'm hear this. Level. Adam, if you're in here tonight, I today, and you don't bring my gun, come up here. You're going to have a warm time. Adam! You want the gun? Never. Sting! Sting! When you hear me want Adam say me give me my gun, you say if you don't give me my gun, me go ask him a question. And when time me ask him a question, when I answer or not, me go tell him when I go give me if you don't get me gun. You know why here? It's the thing. If police attack innocent people's lives, why me can't take my enemy life? Me will do you, but them do to Jesus Christ. We will come as a keeper. We born. What is that? What do you want?
What is Ninjaman wearing? Ninjaman just up in a night suit, in a gown. Or, damn, Ninjaman was ahead of time. Ninjaman just up in an anime suit. In an anime here. Is a ninja. Oh.
Listen, me and your brother understand. And member to the world, I am the biggest one. I put every gun them you give to policeman. And member to me. How much gun you say me give Babylon? What in them makes me name out each one. The two, when we give to Susan, I don't know that. You take it back and you have it, you know, man. I don't know that. Then me give you the whole time him one. I don't know that. And that me would put up the police down a station. I don't know that. Remember Sizzla, I do not play. I don't know that. And the Friday night when we bring in the blasted AK. I be a lie you a tell. You have to friend them. You have the gun pants thing, you take it go in lane them. Or you pretend the boy you are bad man, you want me in them. You see, you know what it is. Listen up. Gun. I'm going to tell you something now. I don't have to give me back my gun. Cause I'm past with this, me and the war not done. I don't have to give me back my gun. Cause I'm fast with this, me and the war not done. When me see how the country is set, this abuse badness like cigarette. While child to step on Ninjaman crep. Gunshot fly through Indian epaulet. You are the idiot. Give her the gun, you now get you back. You give her a gun from Batman Army, it is a setback. I chew your little hole of dog, me I don't stretch out me hand. Sizzla, you want me brother enough to talk that? Remember when me come give you the damn Glock? You say that's it and you say you no want that. Because a Rockford then tell me if it turn back. So I see you them call me a idiot. You know no use so me keep it to the damn cop. You know no right to come blame me over damn that. Then they condemn ninja do a one. Watch every word outside about you better sell the gun. Then I make a plan to go buy some big house. I love no booger man because me love my spouse. You come and jump over me and them like a mouse. Me now want no court mess. To them see me and you up your well we now run no joke mess. I just suppose them no open them leg. But if you test me ninja man you will dead. Sizzla, hear what me say? Me Me and the ninja know me can't dead. I tell your brother, I'm gonna bust off your head. Top us at the fly through your marrow. And the first ninja this, me see when I train. First ninja this when I'm in the nine brain. I go squeeze in nine temper time up in our chain. That figure about him there. Sizzla do a ramp with me and get wrong. You want me brother, but I am a madman. Remember this are the idiot one. Then super cat go over foreign land. I would snap your rasta and trim the turban.
They wanna give me COVID. I'm not good. I call them that shit by myself. But yo, that was classic. That was dope. That was fun. Hope you enjoy it.
Call me crooked, prison body, anything you want. No kind of road chance to me Beenie man, Beenie man. Hear what I'm over there. Me have a new gun, it's Yamish. And we don't die that we don't vanish. They made a vanish, them astonish. And me alone have a gun where that's Spanish. Oh, we have a new gun, it's Yamish. And we don't die that we don't vanish. They made a vanish, them astonish. And me alone have a gun where Spanish now. Me gun put up on the diamond. That is the one who your name. Back it up before me catch a record. That is the one who your name. Why people and sound? They don't like them still love the old man. You want to hear them? Alright. No girl can see them. You got your side that shit. Beenie man. Beenie man. Who do want to hear it, no? You talk about girl can't sit down on your head. No girl can't put near my face, none at all. You know why? Let me tell you something. Yes. Me love the pussy when it real tight. Me be talking to it 29. Me not even like you might go to the bike and I be struggling the pussy like a dandy mic. Me just want to you.
Yo, he boss saying bossing hype like a dynamite. But we Puffy at the past stage, I chat about him not eat vagina and him not touch man can't take off him underwear. Puffy, where the prison for right now? Ninja, a king of sting, king of clash, king of billing song pan stage pan spot. Nobody can take them the title from him.